What's up YouTube? So today I'm bringing us another video, and today is going to be on repairing leather on these Air Jordan 5's. So what happens usually inside the shoes by the ankles, usually sometimes they rub, or when you're walking, or let's say you're doing some kind of activity, they end up getting scuffed from the inside. Now this is a really easy fix, so all you want to do is clean up the shoes, which I already did. Then you want to apply your acetone, and you just want to get your white base paint. So all you want to do is grab a cotton ball and clean this up, and we'll get to it. You want to use acetone to slightly remove as much of the old paint as you can. If there's any rough edges, then you could get some sandpaper, but for here it's not too bad, just a little bit of scuffs on the side. Then you have your paint. At least 4 to 5 coats, very light. Let the first coat dry at least within 10 to 15 minutes, then go to the next shoe. So now we wait 15 minutes and we get right back to it. So as you see, the very first coat, you could hardly even tell that the scuff was even on there. And the other shoe is really not that bad either. So now after our first coat, we're going to keep applying several coats, and then after every coat, wait at least 5 to 10 minutes now. You could use a blow dryer to speed up the process, but naturally, I do have one, but I don't mind waiting slightly just for it to cure naturally. So here we are, we're going to apply a little bit more paint. So you want to do light coats so that the paint doesn't clutter up. So we're almost done. So the next video, I'm going to show how to repaint the midsole. You know, just to do a little bit step-by-step video. I don't want to clutter everything into one video. I know that most people, you know, usually already know how to do a lot of these steps, but I'm just going to show you guys basically how I do it. And I'm just going to do small segments, few videos after everything that I'm doing, just so you guys can have, you know, basically get to the point. Make sure you have your blow dryer on low and just not too close, just a couple feet from the actual shoe. Alright guys, now that we're done, you guys can check out the before and after. Yeah, these came out very good. A lot better than I thought they would be. Now for this side, you could slightly see it only because I didn't decide to sand it. If I were able to sand it between an 800 and 1000 grit, it'll probably get rid of this leather, like, you know, damage on there. But I don't really care too much. Either my pair, and, you know, they're not really too perfect anyways. But I figured I'll just paint it, just to do a quick tutorial, basically how you paint and repair damaged leather on your Air Jordans or just any sneakers. This could work on anything, basically. But yeah, so if you guys want to comment, like, subscribe, check out the next video. In the next video, we're going to go over basically how to paint the midsole on these. I'm not sure. I'm really thinking about possibly doing like a true fire red midsole. I'm not really too friendly of this black and red. What I really do plan on doing is making it look like the classic Fire Red 5, just like these, just black, and then just a little bit of varsity red, and then that's basically it. What I'm gonna end up doing. Now you can see these are my beaters. I do love 5's. I wear my kicks. These are pretty beat, but yeah. Anyway, check out my next video. It's gonna be the comparison on the 2020 to the 2013 Air Jordan 5's. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.